Hello, y'all. We're walking home right now, and apparently there's a bird apocalypse happening. Um, we did not know this was happening until we literally came outside, and there's so many birds. Look, it is so noisy out here. There's so many birds. There's so many birds, and they just form a black line. I don't know, but they're extremely close to my house. Gosh. There's just a bird swarm over there. Look, I'll zoom in. Look, that's so many birds. There's so many birds. There's so many birds. I don't know why, but there's so many birds, and they're extremely close to my trampoline. So let's go to my trampoline, and you guys can get a better view. So, I think that's gonna be the next natural disaster, bird apocalypse, because this is like the second time this happened for us this morning. There's so many freaking birds.